Is it actually possible to get a sharper jawline with jaw exercises? On today's episode of Live Lean TV, I'm showing you how to get a better defined jawline by testing the best at-home, no equipment jawline exercises and popular jawline training tools like the Jawzrsize, jawline chewing gum, and even the towel jawline method. Do any of these jawline exercises actually work for men and women? Or can your jawline only be improved with jawline Botox, filler, or surgery? Let's jump into it and find out. And to be respectful of your time, I've included video timestamps to all the questions and answers in the video description below. So for males, a well-defined, strong, and angular jawline is often linked with masculinity, strength, dominance, and higher levels of testosterone. This is often seen as a sign of good genetic fitness and overall attractiveness. So based on this, it's no surprise that jawline surgeries, Botox fillers, and mewing are becoming more popular on social media. We're also seeing jawline exercise trainer balls like the Jawzrsize, and jawline gums are being heavily marketed to men and women. However, before we get into those trainer tools, let's jump into 5 of the best jawline exercises for men and women at home without equipment. Number 1, the neck curl up. So the neck curl up exercise strengthens the muscles in the neck that are rarely used. Here's how to do it correctly. Lie on your back and press your tongue to the roof of your mouth to activate the muscles on the front of your neck. While keeping your back flat on the floor, bring your chin towards your chest, then slowly lift your head approximately 2 inches off the ground, keeping your chin tucked rather than pointing out. Think of it as a crunch for the neck. It's important to complete each rep slowly, as these weak neck muscles may get strained if you move too fast. Complete 10 to 15 slow reps for 2 to 3 sets. Number 2, the Collarbone Back Up exercise. The Collarbone Back Up exercise helps strengthen the muscles under your chin that assist your jawline. Here's how to do it correctly. Sit, stand, or lie on your back with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and chest open. While keeping your chest still and chin parallel to the floor, shift your head back a few inches to feel the muscles on the side of your neck contract. Then reverse the movement to shift your head forward. That's 1 rep. Repeat 10 to 15 slow reps for 2 to 3 sets. Number 3, mewing. So mewing is the practice of maintaining proper tongue posture throughout the day to help improve your jawline and face shape. It is believed by some to influence facial structure over time, potentially leading to a more defined jawline and better overall facial aesthetics. Here's how to do it correctly. Close your mouth with your teeth lightly touching, but your lips are not clenched. Keep your head aligned with your spine, ensuring that your neck is in a neutral position. Lift the back of your tongue to make contact with the roof of your mouth. Press the entire surface of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, starting from the back and moving toward the front. Your tongue should be flat against the roof of your mouth and your lips should be sealed. Hold your tongue against the roof of your mouth for 10 to 20 seconds or for as long as you feel comfortable throughout the day while breathing normally through your nose. And to enhance muscle activation, you can also hum to create a vibrating sound during each rep. Number 4, Vowel exercise. So the Vowel exercise is a mouth movement that helps strengthen the muscles around your lips. Here's how to do it correctly. Open your mouth wide as you exaggerate saying the letter O. After saying O, transition to exaggerate the letter E. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps for 2 to 3 sets. And number 5, the chin up. The chin up is an exercise to engage the lower part of your face to help lift the face muscles, including your chin and jaw. Here's how to do it correctly. Close your mouth, then slowly bring your bottom jaw forward as you lift up your lower lip. You should feel the muscles in your bottom jaw and chin stretch. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. For best results, aim to do these jawline exercises 3 to 4 times a week with rest days in between if needed. What is the towel jawline method? So another jawline exercise you can test at home is the towel jawline method. This uses biting down on a towel to strengthen your jaw and neck muscles. This method claims to strengthen the masseter muscles to create a more defined jawline when done consistently over time. Here's how to do it correctly. Fold a small towel into 4 to 6 layers. Place one end of the folded towel between your front teeth, making sure the towel is evenly positioned so you can bite down comfortably. To engage your jaw muscles, slowly chew for up to 60 seconds with steady pressure, but do not bite too hard, as it could strain your teeth or jaw joint. If you're focusing on symmetry, you could also fold the towel a little thicker, then chew with one side of your mouth, then alternate sides. All right, so how do you use the Jawzrsize Jawline Trainer Tool? One of the most popular jawline trainer tools is a silicone ball called the Jawzrsize. So I bought this set of the Jawzrsize on Amazon. So they claim the Jawzrsize ball creates up to 40 pounds of resistance to strengthen, tone, and tighten your face and neck muscles. Here's how to do it correctly. Position the Jawzrsize ball in your mouth between your teeth, with the end labeled top positioned on your upper teeth. Now, to find your initial personal record or your PR, slowly bite down and count each rep until you feel a slight burn in your jaw. Once you have your PR, start by performing 50 to 70% of that rep number per set. So for example, my PR is 50, therefore I would complete 25 to 35 reps per set. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between each set, repeating for 2 to 3 sets. So as you build strength, gradually add a few reps each week and retest your PR every few weeks to track your progress. And if you buy the set that I have, you can also move up to a stronger Jawzrsize ball. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes a day. So is the Jawzrsize safe to use? So a few experts, including doctors and dentists, claim overworking the jaw and straining the face with an abnormal chewing device may cause jaw issues rather than the desired chiseled jawline benefits. Potential jawline trainer tool side effects from overuse may include jaw pain from overworking the jaw muscles, which may cause soreness or strains, injury to the TMJ that connects the jaw to the face, jaw clicking or locking, and tension headaches. So even though I've been testing the Jawzrsize for a few months now without any issues, if you have any pre-existing dental or jaw problems, it's best to check with your doctor or dentist before using. So how to use jawline chewing gum to get a chiseled jawline. So I picked up this Jawco jawline gum on Amazon, and they recommend chewing Jawco jawline gum for 5 to 15 minutes every other day. So you alternate chewing on each side of your jaw to evenly exercise the masseter muscles and promote facial symmetry. So as your jaw muscles become stronger, you can gradually increase your chewing time if it feels comfortable. However, to avoid overstraining your jaw, it's advised not to use more than 2 pieces of gum per day. So do jawline exercises, jawline chewing gum, and the Jawzrsize really work? Can you actually sharpen your jawline with exercises? The lack of strong muscles on the front of your neck, which are rarely strengthened through traditional strength workouts, may contribute to an appearance of a droopy neck or double chin. So men and women can strengthen these areas at home with the 5 no equipment jawline exercises: the neck curl up, the collarbone back up exercise, mewing, the Vowel exercise, and the chin up. Now, the Jawzrsize and jawline chewing gum and even the towel jawline method may help strengthen your masseter jaw muscles. However, the research is still limited since they are fairly new to the market. Plus, with excessive use, there is a risk that this newly added muscle may look bulky rather than a defined aesthetic jawline. Ultimately, when it comes to getting a defined jawline, strengthening the muscles in the jaw may help. However, it will not dramatically reduce fat around the jawline or alter bone structure. Therefore, these jawline exercises are not a cure-all for a more defined jawline. If your jawline is covered by excess body fat, your goal should be to first reduce overall body fat by being in a 300 to 500 daily calorie deficit via a well-structured workout program and a healthy meal plan comprised primarily of whole foods high in protein, healthy fat, and fiber. If you already have low body fat and still want to improve your jawline, the Jawzrsize and jawline chewing gum or the towel method or those no equipment home exercises are affordable options to try. So even though they are much cheaper than jawline Botox or filler and surgery, these will take a long time and the results may be minimal. So speaking of jawline Botox, jawline filler, and jawline surgery, here are the quick pros and cons of each. Jawline filler. So dermal fillers like hyaluronic acid can provide immediate results, adding volume and contour to the jawline. So the pros: it's quick, non-invasive, and minimal downtime. The cons, it's temporary and it can be expensive and may require touch-ups. All right, jawline surgery. So surgical procedures like chin implants or jaw reshaping provide permanent, dramatic results. So the pro is it's a permanent change with a high level of precision. However, the cons, it's expensive, invasive, and carries risk like scarring or complications. All right, jawline Botox. So Botox can relax muscles that contribute to a square jawline or manage excess masseter muscle. The pros, it's quick and minimally invasive. However, the cons, its results are temporary and it may not be effective for everyone. And jawline subliminal. So this involves listening to audio tracks claiming to reshape the jawline through subconscious influence. So the pros, it's free and effortless. The cons, there is no scientific backing and results are anecdotal at best. So question of the day, let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried any of these jawline exercises or tools? And if so, what kind of jawline results did you get? And if you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like button down below and click subscribe to our Liveling TV YouTube channel for more health and fitness tips. So now I want you to go check out this video where I show you how to calculate how many calories you should eat in a day. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.